Hello guys, good to have you back for another video of Self Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset an oil change of a Volvo V70. It's 2012 model. I'm going to show you how you can reset this for yourself. We did an oil change with an oil filter, and the indicator on the dashboard over here indicates that it is due to service, and I'm going to show you how you can reset this for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, give us more support. Any questions, any comments, use the comment area below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. This one is a little bit tricky, and I'm going to do my best to show you how I did it. We start by put the key in the ignition, and then we have to use two buttons, the trip button over here and the start stop button over here. And the trick is to press them both, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. Okay, the first step is press the start stop button once, very short, like this. Okay, once you have done that, you have to press the trip button and the start stop button. First of all the trip button, and after that the start button, and then you have to see the ignition turned on, and then keep pressing them both till an indicator over here starts blinking. Once it starts blinking, let go. Once you have let go that, then you hear a small beep. Once you've heard the beep, the surface must have been reset. That was it. It's a V70 Volvo. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Bye bye.